Have you ever found yourself repeating a lot of mkdir and cd? And sometimes you get huge frustration with the typos? You might wonder if there's a fancy or effortless way to do this. Then watch this video to learn the tip of not typing the long directory name again. Actually, Bash has an expansion named $_, which stands for the last parameter of the last command. So we can print its value out first. Yep, it's dir1. So now we can cd into it by typing $_ and then hit enter. Then use pwd to check out our current directory. Here we are at dir1. If you want to run the cd command only when the mkdir succeeds, you can chain these commands like this. In this way, you can detect errors earlier if something goes wrong. Finally, you can make a function like this for later use. Pretty handy, isn't it? Now, if you want to learn more tips about Linux commands, I put together a PDF guide of the 50 most useful Linux commands. You can check it out in the description box below. And I'll see you in the next video.